Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. This is Skyrim Premium Edition unboxing. I've been waiting for this since a few months. Today it came when I came back from school. This is the PS3 version, the US version. I was very excited. Let's see what's in there. Oh, this is just a case. It's beautiful. The bonus disc. The postcards. The details are amazing. So there's 6 of them. Oh, and the t-shirt with the Skyrim logo on it. The game itself. Oh my god. And the Elder Scrolls novel. It's not for sale. Thank you for watching and give a thumbs up. T-shirt, envelope, box, postcards, PS3 game cover, the PS3 map, the artwork, the PC game cover, the PC game case, PC game disc, PS3 disc, PC bonus disc, PS3 bonus disc, the bonus disc cover, and the PC map, collector's edition box, and the Alduin statue, the t-shirt. Nice. Oh, forgot one thing. The Elder Scrolls novel. And the clip that I used to open the premium edition.